Here we have a 2019 Audi RS3 Saloon for sale. This is finished in Mythos black and it is an impeccable sample with only 25,000 miles on the clock, and its condition only represents a small fraction of it. This is a Sport Edition RS3. This was a package that Audi put together which features some of their finest factory optional extras. Starting on the outside, this features the panoramic glass sunroof, the 5-arm rotor blade wheels in black, the gloss black styling package, and the RS Sport exhaust system. Then moving inside, it features the carbon interior inlays, the Super Sport seats with the 4-way electric lumbar support, and the Audi phone box. And this is just naming a handful of the extras that the Sport Edition features. This RS3 is ready to drive away today, so if you want to find out more information about it, please get on the phone to us or head over to our website.